beautiful Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be planning and setting up my social media planner for the week of September the 27th through October 3rd. And I am going to be using the Papillon Value Pack Sticker Book by the Happy Planner. I just love this sticker book, and this is going to be my first time using it. So I'm really excited to do that. I am going to incorporate just a few more stickers with this Papillon sticker book. I am going to be pulling out the colorful shapes sticker book as well, just because I want to mix it up a little bit. So, and I haven't used this sticker book right here in a while, so I felt like this would be a great time to do so. So this week's spread is all about Papillon, the butterflies and colorful boxes, and I need to go ahead and get set up for this week because it's going to be October soon. So this is going to help me out getting prepped for October. All right, my Tea Party Squad. So here is my completed spread for the last week of September in my social media planner. Again, the sticker books that I used was the Papillon sticker book with the beautiful butterflies. And I also just tied in a few of the colorful shapes sticker book. The only shapes that I took out of that sticker book was these two black little rectangle circular stickers, just to layer over some of the stickers from out of the Papillon sticker book. But I love how this turned out. It was super fun and easy to do. I just love just adding in the little touches of florals with the butterflies. I just think it really make it. And I am starting to love this layering my stickers on top of each other and making them into like little clusters. So I do like my little sticker here that I did at the top with the butterflies. And then I just overlaid a sticker that says Heart of Gold. I just thought it was really, really cute. So this is my spread for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed me setting up and decorating my spread for this week. So if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Chakoa, and I do hope you enjoy your time here at my tea party. If you did, I do hope you consider subscribing to my tea party by clicking that red subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified when I upload some more videos here on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.